Hello everyone, welcome to my senior project update. This is where I tell you what I did so far, the current state of my senior project specifically, and then I will have a little tour of my senior project website, and then I will tell you what I would love to accomplish with my team during the next month. So for the current state of our senior project right now, we have gathered enough money to fund two of three two out of three of the people who are in school, which is me, Yusuf, and Usama. We've gathered enough money to cover those two, and we are right now still opening the shop for middle schoolers and high schoolers, as we are gaining more money throughout every day of the week. We did have some obstacles this week, but I hope we're gonna get back together next week with more food because we need to stack up again. And yeah, but we do have exciting news. We have the talent show coming up next week, and we also have a field day, and those are the two events that are upcoming. And we wish we were gonna do this with Hisham and Dokmak, who are both in school right now. But I mean, we're still gonna wait for it. We're basically gonna host a talent show for middle schoolers online, like hybrid. So they would first start by doing online presentations, and they would pick the winners and so on and so forth in the library. We're gonna have a party to celebrate it's socially distanced party to celebrate the uh, the event basically. Okay, and we are also hosting the field day. We hope to do so. We're probably gonna. What we have in mind is very interesting, never done idea before, which is we're gonna basically um, host a Massac, but just for Ifran. So we'd do like track and field, badminton, etc., but just in our school. So we'd have the regular events you see in Massac, like the 100-meter dash and the 800 meters, and we're basically gonna be the judges slash referees slash scoreboard slash everything, and we'll have a competition between ASIers. And now for the purpose for a little tour. This is the front page of our senior project, Learning Through Travel. And if you go down, you can see about us. So here's a picture of us, which I'm actually right here, and you can't tell because the picture is not wide enough. Here you can see everybody's everybody's self-introduction, kind of, and you can read more to see more. You can click on that. Yeah, and if you go to project, you can see our SMART goals. So like how we defined our project using the SMART goal criteria in the first month or in the first month of the project. And we also have an elevator speech. So here's the SMART goal for everyone, for each one, and then here's for everybody. And if you go to elevator speech, it's basically a video of everyone. We are all incorporated in this video, talking about our senior project and our project plan, which is updates and what we're gonna do individually. Like here you see everybody alone. You can read more to see everybody and the group in general. And then here is the very interesting part. This is personal research. So here, for example, if you click on mine, you can see the links I'm using, the websites and scholarly journals or slash articles I'm using to do my own 20-page research paper, since everybody has to do their own. And in each section you can see basically everybody. So if I go here to Yusef's, you can see his, Osama's, you can see their links and what they look at, and from here you can get an idea of what their subject is. This is about us. This is a more rectified version of the homepage. This is really everybody's doing a video to talk about themselves, and it's more personal and what they do and everything. So here is a blog. This is where you can see daily things. So for example, if you're intrigued in like seeing the fundraisers we do, or how we collect money, right here it's just updates, and you can even see the struggles everybody has, and yeah, you can see how we're managing. And here's contact, so how you can contact us with the PO box and everything. So I hope this presentation was a good presentation in matter of where we are, what we're gonna do, and the website journey. And I hope we can satisfy and get to our goals by the end of the year. Thank you.